I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication 2FA on your Epic Games app is a great way to enhance your account security. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Epic Games launcher. Launch the Epic Games app on your device. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile name in the bottom left corner, then select Account from the menu that appears. Step 3. Access the Password and Security tab. In the Account Settings, find and click on the Password and Security tab. This is where you can manage your security settings, including 2FA. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. You will see options for enabling either email or authenticator app 2FA. Choose one and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm your setup. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you choose the Authenticator app option, make sure to save the backup codes provided, as they can help you regain access if you lose your device. Happy gaming!